Okay.
So the objective of this game is a land grab. Land grab consists of 7 flags that look just like this. It has a red and a blue indicator. Once you stand in the area for 2 minutes, blue team's flag goes up or red team's flag goes up, depending on who takes it. Then, if the flag is up and red team comes in to contest, they stand there for 3 minutes. This one comes off. Now it takes 2 minutes to put your flag back on it. Red team now takes it. Boom. Now they can respawn there.
That didn't seem like 2 minutes.
It's 2 minutes and
That was really quick.
yeah. All right, and that's the basic.
Yeah. All right.
Basic,
So that's it. That's the general rule.
general rules, man.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.